Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Heyday game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Heyday game on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be taken into the basic tutorial for the game after you set up your username within the game. Now once you complete the basic tutorial levels, if you wish to sign up and create an account to save all of your game progress, then tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. You will now see the settings button. Just tap on settings, and now you will find the login option at the top section. Just tap on the login button and you will be taken into the login page for the Supercell ID. Tap through the next buttons, or you can also tap on skip at the top right, and now you will find the register now button. Tap on the register button and then tap on continue to register and create a new account. Just type in your email address that you want to use and then type it in once again for confirmation. Then click on the register button and you will be asked to verify your identity by entering the verification code that has been sent to your email address that you just entered. So check your inbox and enter the verification code within, and you will be allowed to create your password. Just type in your desired password and tap on the sign up button, and now your account will officially be created on your Heyday game, and all of your progress will now be saved within this. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Heyday game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.